Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to do general paper 4. This consists of like exam structure, part 1 and part 2. We already have 2 hours to do, but I am going to discuss within 1 hour. Then after finish the session, I will send you the Google Form paper. Right, we'll start to do the paper, general paper 4. Part 1. The price of colored pencil box is 200 rupees. If 500 is tendered to the cashier, when buying it, what will be the balance amount that one will receive? Then we have to find the balance amount here. Give me 1 minute. Price of a color pencil. Box 200. Then he tendered 500 rupees to the cashier. $500. Balance equals 500 minus 200 rupees, 300 rupees. Amount remaining is 300 rupees. Next question. Write the portion shaded as fraction. Now let's image this on 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again divide into 2 parts, right? Then altogether 8 parts are there. From 8 parts, it is shaded here 3 parts. Can you see? If you concern like this. Now altogether there are 8 parts now, right? From these 8 parts, 3 parts has shaded here, right? 1, 2, 3 here, right? Then we can write the portion shaded as a fraction. You can write here 1, 2, 3 over 8. Right. Next one. Write in index notation. Write in index notation 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is from the indices lesson. Then 2 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. Next question. What is the number represented on this abacus? This is at the 10th place. This is at the 1st place. 1/10th place, 100th place. So how can we write the number? 1 is here, 1, here 2, point, 12 point. Here no number at 1/10th place, 3 here at 100th place. 12.03. 12.03 is the answer here. Next question. The weight of an average size fish is 175 grams, right? Then find how many fish are needed to weight 1 kilogram. Then what can we do? Then 1 kilogram. How many grams are there? 1 into 1000 grams. So, one fish equals 175 gram number of fish are needed to weight 1 kilogram equals 1000 divided by 175. Mean 100 don't have 1000 nearly. 175, 175. 350, 350, 350, 700. Let's image nearly 5 times 525, 2 remaining, 5 times 7, 35 and 2, 37, 3 remaining, 5 times 1, 5 and 3, 8, 875 remaining, 1 remaining. 10 subtract 5, 5, 9 subtract 7, 2, 125 grams. So nearly we need 5 fish. Need 5 fish. Remaining is this amount, 125 grams. Question number 6. What is the name of the solid shown in the figure? Regular tetrahedron. Tetrahedron. Right? Regular tetrahedron. Sorry, here should be T. Next one. What is the number that should be written in the blank? 4,000, sorry, because red color is not clear. 4,825. Then we can write, we can expand into 4,820 plus 5. 4,800 plus 20 plus 5. Next question, question number 9. What is the most suitable unit of measurement to measure the mass of a tablet? Milligram, right? When we are measuring small amount, we are using milligram. Answer is milligram. Big amounts we are using kilogram, like vehicles and big things we are using tons to measure. And the like day-to-day life, when we are buying the sugar and the rice we are using kilograms. Here we are using milligram. 10th one. What is the largest number which can be prepared by using 5, 9, 6? If you arrange this is in descending order, you can get the largest number, 965. 965. What is the value represented by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? No? 5, 10, 13. What is the value represented by this? That is 13 here. 5 and 5, 10 and 3 lines here. Altogether, it is 13. The length of a school building is 24 meters. School building, that is 24 meters. Breadth is 8 meters. Write the ratio between the length and breadth of the building. Length, breadth. You have to write the ratio. Length is 24 meter, breadth is 8 meter. We now need to write the unit for the ratio, same unit, 24 to 8. Now simplify how many 8s for 24? 3. How many 8s here? 1. What is the ratio length to breadth? That is 3 to 1 here. Find the perimeter of the figure. Perimeter around the boundary, right? 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. If the length are same, you can multiply like this. 8 centimeter into 3. 24 centimeter. Length is 24 centimeter. Next one, 14th one. What is the value of x minus 3? X is 5 minus 3, that is 2. The thickness of a wooden plank is 2 centimeter approximately. If 50 such wooden planks are stuck together, estimate the height of the stack of wood planks. Right, wooden planks of 2 centimeter appropriately. 50 such wooden planks are. One is how much? 2 centimeter. That it means thickness is 2 centimeter. Then they are going to set like this 50. Here 2, here 2, here 2, up to 50. Right? 2 centimeter. Approximately 50 such wood planks are stuck together. Estimate the height of the stack of wood planks. Right? Then we can write 50 into 2 centimeter, 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Write in ascending order 1, 1.1, 0.1, 0.2. Write in ascending order. So what is the smallest number here? Ascending is means smallest to the largest. Smallest one is here 0.1. Next smallest one is 0.2. Next smallest one is 1. Largest one is 1.1. This is in ascending order. What is the trice of 4? It means 3 times 4. Trice of 4 is, that is 12, right? Answer is 12. Look at how easy. Right, 1 mark for this. Then here, express 54 centimeter in meters. 54 centimeter in meters. Now you have to decide how many marks are there for your paper, right? Give 2 marks for each. There are 20. Then 20 multiplied by 2 and write the marks, that number of marks you get for this paper. Because this is not my paper. Every day I am doing our own constructed papers. But today we are going to do a different paper, exam paper. So I want to see the difference. Every day you are doing my papers, that is not correct. So we want to check whether you can do the other papers too, right? Express 54 centimeter in meters. Then we have to write 1 meter. There are 100 centimeters. Then 54 we have to write. So divide 54 by 100. You know how to divide, right? If the denominator contains 2 zeros, decimal place move in 2 places back. 0.54 meters. 0.54 meters. Fill in the blanks. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Then what can we see here? For getting the square numbers, right? So 3, 6, then we can write next on 6 to get the 16, 6 plus 10. Then 16, right? To the blank, we need the 10 here. Finish it. Right. Fill in the fifth term of the number pattern. 1, 4, 9, 16. This is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third. This is the fourth. So can you see that this is a square number pattern, right? In square numbers, we can get, if a number multiplied by itself, we can get the square number. 1 multiplied by 1 itself, 1. 2 multiplies by 2 itself, that is 4. 3 multiplied by 3 itself, that is 9. 4 multiplied by 4, 16. Then next one, 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. So fifth term equals 25. First term, second term, third term, fifth term. Fifth term is 25 here. Right, now if all correct, 2 into 20, 40 marks are there, right? Because we have to practice to do like this. Now you have to manage the time. So I don't like to take too much time for you to talk. I want to do the questions, but included here I have to continue. I think all of you finish this, right? Separate and write the digits in the boxes of the number 2, million. So we have learned zones, right? Can you remember? A million zone, then 1,000 zone. We have talked, right? Then 100 zone, like that. Then we can write the zones here. What are the zones you can see here? Separate and write the boxes of the number 2,736,512. Complete the blanks given below. So you can write here separately. Then what can you say about this zone? This is million zone. We can write million. This is million zone. So what can you say about this zone? 1,000. Sorry, here I had to write. We have to mention the numbers also here. 1,000 zone. The next one is, we are saying unit zone. And we can replace the numbers. 2,736,512. Now can you remember? Eventually, step by step, when we were in grade 6 class, now also you are in the grade 6. Now this is the end of the 6. Right? December, I am going to start the grade 7 class. Now already we have finished 6 and we are revising the works that we have done. Right? So I think you can remember how we read the numbers step by step. Don't worry, if you were not there, now look at here. Right? It is easy. If you know the zone, it is easy to read. This is at the million zone, 2 only at the million zone, 2 million. 736 at this 1,000 zone, you can read it as 736,000. Unit zone 512, so you can read it as 512. So that's the way we can read this. B. Then I have put the marks here, so you can, according to that, you can write the marks. In the number 6,521, what is the value represented by 1? So this is at unit place, right? So that is really representing here 1. 1 times 1, unit place, into 1, 1. What is the value represented by 2? This is at the tens place. So 10 into 2, 20. What is the value represented by 5? 5 is at 100 place. Then 100 into 5, 500. Represented by 6. Then that is at 1,000 place. 1,000 into 6, 6,000. Write down the name of the number. We have to write the name. Right? Look at now. This is, we have separated into the zone. You can write 42 million 736,000. $521. 521. Can you understand? 42,736,521. Then this for this 4 marks, for this 3 marks. Right. The distance between Earth and Sun is 149,597,200 830. What is the, write this number in standard form. The distance between Earth and Sun is 149 million. Right, then 149. Millions on 149. Right? 149,597,000. Thousands on 597. 830. Hundreds on 830. So you have to write the number like this, 830, right? Then finish it. Yes, for these 3 marks, right? Write 10 cos. This number in standard form. This is not the standard form. Cos is not the standard form. Then it means 100 million. 10 cos is mean 100 million. You can write it like this. For this also 3 marks. Write the name of this instrument which used to find the north at a point. Then instrument we are using now. What is the instrument? That is famous instrument. When you are small also, you used to use what is this compass? That is the instrument. Next one, a student is standing facing the south. Which direction his left hand is directing? You know, this is north, south, east, west. Now child is standing facing the south. It means if the child, if I take like this one, standing facing the south, 2 hands like this. Right now south. Then when we concern, his left hand is this side to the east direction, right? And the right hand is to west. Then they are asking to which direction his left hand directing? To the east. To the east direction. I think you finished writing this. Right. Yesterday only I have sent this paper. So I think you can just answer. If not, don't worry, Pute. Just write the question number, then write the answers. You can do the sums number and then later you can take the printout. If not, you can write in your writing book. I ask you to keep a separate book for Thursday, our paper class. Right? Then you can continue that separate book for this. In the diagram given below, 4 main directions are marked. Mark the other 4 sub-direction, north, south, east, west. Then we can write this is as north, east. Then this one we can write southeast. And this one you can write south, west. And this direction you can write north, west. When a regular tetrahedron is kept on a table, how many slanted edges can be seen? Then it's mean if you keep like this, regular tetrahedron, we are keeping like this on the table. Slanted edges. So how many? These are the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you understand? Aladara kiyat තියෙනවද? Slanted edges. 4 slanted edges are there. Then how many here? 4 slanted edges are here. Regular tetrahedron. Sorry. If you kept in here, now we can take regular tetrahedron if you draw like this. No, sorry, yeah. Triangular cross section, not the other one. So 3 slanted edges. If you kept like this, we are not taking the base like this, it is a pyramid, so we are not going to take this. This is the regular tetrahedron. So we can see 1 edge, 2, 3. 2, 3, yeah. Next question. For this 1 mark. What is the name of the apparatus used to check whether a plane is horizontal? What is this? You have seen that carpenters using this thing. What is this? That is, we are saying plumb line. We are saying this instrument plumb line. Right. Next one, what is the apparatus used to check whether a plane is vertical? That vertical when tile the floor, right? Arranging the floor, we have to check. You have seen that there is a bubble, no? It's come in middle of this. For this, we are saying special name split level, right? Split. This is plumb line. This is split level. I think you have seen that is also with masons and carpenters. Then when they are leveling the floor, they used to use. This is when it is came middle, that there is a light bubble here. It's came middle of this. Then they are saying this is already horizontal, right? Split level. Vertical is mean like this, perpendicular, like walls and all. We want to check whether they are straight. So using the plumb line to check the floor, we have to check whether they are balanced, straight, not slanted. So we are using split level. Next one, third one. Copy this number line. Mark the triangular numbers less than 10 on this number line. 10 on this. Mark the triangular numbers. What are the triangular numbers? I told you. When we arrange a triangle like this, maybe we can make a triangle 1. Here 3 are there. If you have been to the supermarkets, you can see they have arranged the tin cans like this arrangement, right? The triangular pattern. So we can get, I told you, we have wrote triangular numbers up to 10 like this. 1. 1 plus 2, second triangular number is 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, third triangular number 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, third triangular number is 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Fourth triangular number 15. This way also we can get the triangular number. Now we can't rightly write this till 100 and we can't find the 100 triangular number. If you want to find 20th, you have to write like this. So without doing so, if you want to find the 20th triangular number, how to find? 20 into 21 divide by 2. I told you like this, no? 20 to close a number. If you want to find the 20, 20 multiplied by 21, then divide by 2. Look at 20 divided by 2, 10. 10 times 21, 210. If you want to find a 10th angular number, 10 multiplied by 11 divided by 2. That is 55. Additional thing I told you while you are discussing the papers, not only the paper, I am explaining the background also, right? Mark the triangular numbers less than 10. What are the triangular numbers less than 10? 1 is here, 3, 6. That is only less than 10. It means 1, 3, 6. Only this. These are the triangular numbers here. Write 12 as a product of prime factors. So how can we write prime numbers? Is mean numbers which are divisible by 1 and only itself. Just divide 12 and see. That is 6. Again divide by 2. 3. Again divide by 3. 1. So we can write 12 as a product of prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 3. Look at 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. Then you have to add the fraction here. Find the value of. So it is easy for you. This also denominator you have to make equate. Here 21. Then this is by 7. This is also by 7. 5 over 21 plus 14 over 21. 5 and 21, 19 over 21 is the answer. So you can do the fractions like this, 19 over 21. Then you are already getting this question, 1 mark, here 3 marks, here 2 marks, here 2 marks. Altogether 8 marks for the question. Find the value of 3/4 minus 17 over 24. So this is by, we want to equate the denominator. So you can multiply by the same denominator. You have to make the same denominator. So this is by 6, this is by 6. 6 times 3, 18, 6 times 4, 24. Minus 17 over 24, 1 over 24 is the answer here. Write a unit fraction. Write the unit fractions. So what is the meaning of unit? Unit is mean we have learned the fractions. Now we have did the fraction session. So while we are doing, can you remember if over the line numerator always 1 is there, we are saying unit fraction. What are called the proper fraction? Proper is mean at the numerator always number less than the denominator. That is called the proper. Improper is mean if numerator is greater than the denominator. That is called the improper. So now they are asking the unit fraction. So you can write any fractions, always numerator 1. 1/3, 1/4, half. Neither. They are asking write a unit fraction, only one enough. Right? Any answer. If numerator is 1, so you can write it as a unit fraction. Not the same thing, right? If you write one number here, you are getting 1 mark. Fourth question. Related to the angles, we have learned 5 types of angles in this grade. What are they? First one, acute angle less than 90. 90 is there. Then right angle. If it is more than 90, we learn it as obtuse angle. If it is straight line, we learn it as straight angle. And if it is greater than straight line, we learn it as a reflection angle. So we can write A, acute. B, D. Reflex angle. Acute, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. What is the angle formed when a person standing facing north rotates until he faces the south? Draw a sketch like this: north, south, east, west. Now this person stand facing the north. Rotate facing the south. So what can you say about the angle? Straight, right? Straight angle. So you can write here straight angle. One mark. See, in the diagram, what is marked as O? O is, we know, vertex. O is the vertex here. Then what are marked as OA and OB? They are arms. Draw a straight line segment. So how can we? We can draw a straight line like this. This is, use the ruler and draw straight. This is the straight line segment. You can name it as AB. You can name it as AB. Then you can add the marks, right? Like this. Next one. Data representation, right? That is easy. The number of eggs sold by an egg merchant during 5 days of a week is given by the picture graph given below. One oval representing 10 eggs. One oval representing 10 eggs. This merchant sold 20 eggs on Friday. Friday. Represent this information in the picture graph. Yes, one oval representing 10 eggs. So you have to draw 2 ovals here. Then for this you are getting 2 marks. On which day the highest number of eggs were sold? Now look at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Thursday. Right? He sold. On which day the highest number of eggs were sold? On Thursday. Right? Thursday. Next question. On which day the least number of eggs were sold? Look at here. Least number you can see. We draw the 2 ovals for Friday, right? 20. Then Friday. That is on Friday. Sorry. Friday. On which day the equal number of eggs were sold? Equals number of eggs. Let's check here. Now you can see Monday and Wednesday. Equal number here. 2.5. 2.5 is mean 25. And here also 25. 25. 25. Here 50. Here 20. Right. Then Monday and Wednesday. Monday and Wednesday. If an egg is 15 rupees, what is the income he received on Thursday? If the egg is 15 rupees, then Thursday, let's see the Thursday, how many eggs he sold then? Sorry. Thursday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times 5, 50 eggs he sold, no? So we'll see his income. One egg is 15 rupees. Then 15 times 50, add 0 to n, 5 times 5, 25, 2 remaining, 5 times 1, 5 and 2, 7. What is his income? 750 rupees. What is the total number of eggs was sold? We have to find the total number of eggs. Right. Now we came to know here 20. Then here 25. Here 1, 2, 3, 35. Here 25. Here 50. Here 20. Let's add this all together. 25, 35, 25, 50, 20. 5 and 5, 10 and 5, 15. 1 remaining, 3 and 3, 6, 6 and 2, 8, 8 and 5, 13 and 2, 15, 155. 155 eggs, right? So you can write, even you can write it like this, 25, you can show the method, 25 plus 35 plus 25 plus 50 plus 20 equals 155. Total number of eggs he sold is 155. Then our paper is finished. Now check your marks, right? Out of 100 for this paper, 60 marks for the second part, first part 40, altogether 100. So after finish this, I will send you the Google Form paper. Get ready for the Google Form paper. Then other thing, right? Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed this Extreme Education channel, you can subscribe because we are releasing different educational videos hereafter, like especially for the science practicals. That's mean small science things, and the mathematics also, right? Then mathematics also weekly we are doing a paper, and the other extra lessons and all the things I supposed to included there. So still I am arranging these things before starting the schools and all. And then after it will be busy all of us now. So don't forget to subscribe this because you can get lot of things from this. Then I will finish the class now. Okay, bye. Bye everybody.